Live YouTube. Checking tire balloons on the GRPs. See how worn out the tires are. So if they need to be balanced, you got something to put on them to balance them?
We can shave a little if we have
Oh,
to.
that's that truer, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you started, didn't you, kid? Man, guys will pay to have their tires trued. It is unbelievable. Now, them is rubber right there.
Yeah.
Okay. You can true rubber too?
We probably could.
Wow.
I don't see why not. And open up.
This is dope.
All right, who wants to help me?
Wow, let me get that video, please. Checking my GRPs for ballooning. GRP test. Getting the GRPs balanced, YouTube. We balancing them. I'm checking the ballooning.
The wheel is slightly out of round.
Where is it?
Uh-huh.
Can that be fixed?
Uh-uh.
Okay. So that's causing the wheel is slightly out of round, YouTube. Did y'all hear that? We're testing GRPs from the factory and it is slightly out of round.
Yep.
Wow.
Check the other set. The other side.